everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's video we will see about the parts of households in Amharic. So what are the words used to call the parts of household? So let's see one by one. So this house, so this is English and this is Amharic part and this is the pronunciation. So this house it means in Amharic bet. House means bet. House means in Amharic bet. And a roof it means in Amharic ጣሪያ. Roof means in Amharic ጣሪያ. And a wall it means in Amharic ግድግዳ. Wall means in Amharic ግድግዳ. And floor it means in Amharic ወለል. Floor means in Amharic ወለል. And a door it means in Amharic በር. Door means in Amharic በር. And it's a window it means in Amharic it means in Amharic መስኮት. Window means in Amharic መስኮት. And a room it means in Amharic ክፍል. Room it means in Amharic ክፍል. And living room it means in Amharic ሳሎን. Living room means in Amharic ሳሎን. And bedroom it means in Amharic መኝታ ክፍል. Bedroom means in Amharic መኝታ ክፍል. And a kitchen it means in Amharic ወጥ ቤት. Kitchen means ወጥ ቤት. Kitchen means in Amharic ወጥ ቤት. And bathroom it means in Amharic መታጠቢያ ቤት. Bathroom it means in Amharic መታጠቢያ ቤት. And a toilet means in Amharic ሽንት ቤት. Toilet means in Amharic ሽንት ቤት. And dining room it means in Amharic መመገቢያ ክፍል. And balcony it means in Amharic በረንዳ. Balcony means in Amharic በረንዳ. And corridor it means in Amharic መተላለፊያ. And yard it means in Amharic ግቢ. Yard means in Amharic ግቢ. And fence it means in Amharic አጥር. Fence means in Amharic አጥር. Fence means in Amharic አጥር. And gate it means exit. Gate or exit is the same. Gate or exit it means in Amharic መግቢያ. And ceiling it means ጣሪያ ውስጥ. Ceiling means in Amharic ጣሪያ ውስጥ. And stairs it means in Amharic ደረጃ. Stairs means in Amharic ደረጃ. So this is all about the parts of household or house in Amharic. So let's see questions, or let's see in examples in English. So for example, the kitchen is clean. So what does it mean kitchen in Amharic? Kitchen in Amharic it means ወጥ ቤት. So if the kitchen is clean it means in Amharic ወጥ ቤቱ ንጹህ ነው. Clean means it is ንጹህ. Kitchen means ወጥ ቤት. So ወጥ ቤቱ ንጹህ ነው. My bedroom is big. Bedroom means it means in Amharic መኝታ ክፍል. Bedroom means in Amharic መኝታ ክፍል. And big means it is ትልቅ. Big means ትልቅ. So my bedroom is big it means in Amharic መኝታ ክፍሌ ትልቅ ነው. And open the window. Open means መክፈት. And window means መስኮት. So open the window it's a command statement. So it means in Amharic መስኮቱን ክፈት. And close the door it means in Amharic. So close means መዝጋት and door means በር. So close the door it means in Amharic በሩን ዝጋ. So this is all about today's lesson. It's about the parts of household like house, bed, roof, ጣሪያ, wall, ግድግዳ, floor, ወለል, door, በር. So this the likes for parts of household in Amharic. So if you try you will be perfect. So please try them. And so thanks for watching my videos. If you have a comment, please comment me in comment section. So thanks. See you to another video. Bye.